Question here is, consider the production A derives PQ and A derives XY. Each of the 5 known terminals A, P, Q, X and Y has 2 attributes. Okay. S is a synthesized attribute and I is denoting inherited attribute. Consider the following rules. Rule 1 is P dot I equals to A dot I plus 2, Q dot I equals to P dot I plus A dot I, and A dot S equals to P dot S and Q dot S. It is rule number 1. Rule number 2 is X dot I equals to A dot I plus Y dot S, and Y dot I equals to X dot S plus A dot I. Which one of the following is true? Option A, both rule 1 and rule 2 are L attributed. Option B, only rule 1 is L attributed. Option C, only rule 2 is L attributed. And option D, neither rule 1 nor rule 2 is L attributed. So what is L attribute rule? First thing we need to know about this, that L attribute rule kya hota hai? What is L attribute rule? Okay. So L attribute rule simply says that a parent can take value from child. A parent can take value from its child. And child can also take values from its parent, but only from left-hand side sibling. Only from left-hand side sibling. If it follows this condition, means it is L attribute. Okay. Now let's find out that rule number 1, that is P dot I equals to A dot I plus 2. So here if you will see, A derives PQ is there, and this denotation, this rule says that P is taking value from A. Means P is taking value from A, means a child is taking value from its parent. So L attribute rule followed. Okay, but don't stop here. Check all the conditions. Q dot I equals to P dot I plus A dot I. What it means? That Q is taking value from P and Q is also taking value from A. So here if you will observe, Q is taking value from P, means from left hand sibling. Q is taking value from its left hand sibling, which is P. So no problem. And Q is also taking value from its parent, that is A. Again, no problem. So until and hereby we can say it is following L attribute rule, but rule 1 is not completed yet. And is there, and A dot S equals to P dot S and Q dot S. A dot S equals to P dot S plus Q dot S. What it means? A is taking value from P and A is also taking value from Q. What it means? That is this parent A is taking value from P as well as this is taking value from its second child. No problem. Parent can take any child's value, no problem, but all the child can take value from parents and from its left siblings only. So rule 1, all these 3 productions are following L attribute rule. So it is 100% done that L1 is L attributed. L1 is L attributed, 100% done. So neither rule 1 nor rule 2 is L attribute. So D is eliminated. And only 2 is L attributed. So it is also eliminated. Why? Because L1, rule 1 is L attributed. Hereby we can show. Now let's check rule 2. Rule 2 is X dot I equals to A dot I plus Y dot I. If you will check here, A derives XY, right? From here we can say X is taking value from A. X is taking value from its parent. No problem. L attribute rule is followed. And X is already taking value from Y. Here, if you will see, X is again taking value from Y. X is taking value from Y. X, which is a child, is taking a value from its right hand side sibling. If it is taking values from right hand side sibling, then it is not L attribute. Then it is not L attribute. So don't go ahead. Just stop here and conclude that rule 2 is not L attribute. So only rule 1 is L attribute. Option B is the correct answer for this question.